Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my lectures about the lives of prophets of the world. Today I will discuss the facts and knowledge about the Hazrat Idrees alayhi salam. Hazrat Idrees are the Enoch in biblical word, grandfather of Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Title Adam Sani, lived for 82 years, or his age was 82 years. Idrees was born in Babylon, a city in present-day Iraq. Creator of math, he built about 180 cities. He knew 72 languages. He first invented pen and write with it, or pen. Tailor by profession, first to establish political systems in cities. First to formalize astronomy. Prophet Hazrat Idrees left Babylon or Iraq and migrated to Egypt in the area of and settled in the area of Nile River. Allah praised him by saying, Subhanallah, alive in the sky, mentioned in Surah Anbiya, and Maryam died on fourth sky. He is described in the Holy Quran as trustworthy and patient. Idrees has been identified with the biblical Enoch. Idrees belonged to the early generations of Prophet Adam. He met with Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, on the night of Miraj, or journey to sky, on the fourth sky or heaven. Wish you good luck. See you in next lecture. Please subscribe and forward to other students.